I use that.
Hello, douche.
You're Adam, who's calling right now? Hold on, I'm gonna put you both on. Who the heck is this? Hold on. Kenny, what's going on?
What's happening, man?
Who is this? Who are we speaking to?
You're speaking to me, Kenny.
Oh,
Kenny,
God.
the star of the show on Thursday.
There he is. Kenny, what's going on, man? We got a
What's
guest
happening,
coming
man?
on.
We have a guest literally that's going to come
You
on
want
in
to
a
call?
minute,
You
so
want to call
back.
after?
Okay, yeah. I'll
Call back
listen
at
to
about
your interview.
10:30, Kenny.
Okay, call back in 1 hour, you're saying?
Yes,
Fine
about
with
an
me.
hour.
I'll still be up.
Oh, look at that, Kenny. Just don't drink and don't smoke. Okay?
Okay, it was.
Oh my God, what was that?
Jesus. I don't know, man.